All right, so I'm gonna explain to you what took me 8 years to create with top stem cell scientists and 30 years in a treatment room analyzing your skin is so expensive. The reason it's so expensive is because of what it is and what it does. It replaces your retinol, your vitamin C, and your hyaluronic acid. That means this is probably about $95 instead of $395 if you take away those products in your regimen. Also, I have different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to make it very effective. I have thousands of peptides, real peptides. Those are building blocks to proteins, which is what we have in here. We have many, many peptides, and we have brighteners that help with pigmentation, which is what you usually use your vitamin C for. So literally, this is skin health without ever sensitizing your barrier. And it's a deal because it's replacing a lot of products and it's giving you clinical results quickly, faster than those other products, and better than those other products. You don't need those. Just use the Forte Serum, apply the Souffle Moisturizer on top. Make sure you use a sunscreen, and you're good to go, and you will see the difference. Just look at the reviews on my website on angelacaglia.com.